Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. It's great to have you with us. Well, the weather forecast over the next few days looks a little bit Groundhog Day, and by that I mean repetitive. We're going to be seeing those afternoon downpours. This is the current setup, and there's a slight change in the wind direction for the north. A large high out here in the Tasman Sea, anticyclonic winds going around it, and that's driving in a light southwest breeze, which is not quite as stifling and humid as it was the days before, where we had the subtropical northerly. So it's still very humid with all the rain that fell plus heat. That creates steam, so we end up with sort of quite muggy conditions into the afternoons around the North Island. It's a drier heat in the South Island. It was into the late 20s last night, at around about 9:30 towards 10 p.m. It was still very, very hot. So we're going to be seeing that weather off and on. The westerlies certainly help boost up the temperatures. So as we go to Thursday, this is the setup. Low pressure sinks a little bit along the eastern side, and we are going to be seeing some of those big afternoon downpours with isolated thunderstorms. In fact, this is the thunderstorm map here. You can see the areas in orange and red in the north and the south there. Those are the areas most likely to see those afternoon clouds bubbling up and turning into thunderstorms. Now, a light breeze of whichever direction, because the reason why we're getting these is light winds and they meet in the middle around these inland areas. So if one breeze dominates a little bit more, it can shift these thunderstorm areas to the coastline or to a main centre. So they're worth keeping an eye on, but they look like they're going to mainly be forming inland in both islands. And by the way, the other areas you see here with the grey and speckled, that's the clouds. So the areas with the dark, that's a clearer area. You can see through to the blue sky. Where it's whiter like this, that is thick cloud with the rain showers around it. So there'll be a mix of sun and cloud around the country as well on Thursday. To Friday, we've still got those afternoon downpours popping up again inland of both islands. High pressure is mostly dominating around, but we've got light winds in the middle here meeting that will create a few big downpours and isolated thunderstorms on Friday. And into the weekend, same stuff. Afternoon downpours, dry mornings, afternoon downpours with isolated thunder, amongst them inland as far north as Northland and as far south as Southland. And on Sunday, still got a few showers, still got high pressure dominating. Perhaps the showers are a little bit more confined to those inland areas. And then we go to Monday, which is a big anniversary. Well, it's the Auckland anniversary day, so it's a big holiday with about 2 million people taking the day off around the upper North Island and the top of the South Island. And it's looking mostly dry, maybe just a couple of showers up around the Bay of Islands. So there we go. It is going to be warmer than average over the next few days. So enjoy that. Inland areas of both islands into the 30s. And then we've got that humidity in there as well, which does return a bit more as we head in towards the weekend. That's all from me. We'll update you again tomorrow.